Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present a different and unique way to make your own chocolate. Using only 3 ingredients, this very easy recipe can be used as chocolate chips in your favorite cookie or brownie recipe, or enjoy it on its own as a delicious chocolate candy. It also has a fraction of the net carbs as some of the pre-made low-carb chocolate found in stores. Let me show you what I mean. Now, I love to use Lily's chocolate when I bake, but it can be a bit pricey. And when we look at the macros, you'll see that 14 grams, which is just about a half an ounce, has a total of 8 total carbs. And when we subtract the fiber and the sugar alcohols, we end up with 3 grams of net carbs. While low, it's more than 3.5 times the net carbs in this recipe. As I said, we'll only need 3 ingredients: coconut oil, unsweetened cocoa powder, and a liquid sugar substitute. You'll also need a silicone mold for shaping your chocolate. Any size and shape mold will work. I'm using one here to make some chocolate chips. I find using a pourable microwave-safe measuring cup to be very helpful when making this recipe. Put a half a cup of coconut oil into the measuring cup and microwave for about 20 to 40 seconds or until the oil is melted. Add a liquid sugar substitute equal to 3/4 of a cup of regular sugar. This amount of sweetener will give you a sweetness level on par with semi-sweet chocolate. Add a half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and mix well to stir. I like to run the spoon against the sides to help break up any clumping. This recipe makes just a little less than 5 ounces, or a total of 135 grams of chocolate. Once the cocoa powder has fully been incorporated into the coconut oil, test for sweetness and add more if you desire a sweeter chocolate. Pour the liquid chocolate into the mold of your choosing and place in the freezer for 30 minutes to help set quicker. When the chocolate hardens, remove from the mold and place in a container for storage in the refrigerator. There you have it, folks. My very simple 3-ingredient low-carb homemade chocolate. A recipe that's easy to make and can be used for any recipe that calls for semi-sweet chocolate, or simply enjoy it on its own. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.